Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi 12 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the wallpaper section. Alright, we've got the advertisement. So here you've got a lot of online wallpapers from which you can choose. So here we've got plenty of beautiful options to set, but be aware that you will be able to search only if you will have the internet connection, so be aware about that. Of course, if you currently do not have the internet, no worries, you can still change the wallpaper. Simply enter the profile and here tap on the wallpapers. Right here in this section we have all pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose, no matter if you have the internet connection or not. However, let me pick something from those options because I really think that they are pretty. So maybe this one. I think it's pretty cool. So in order to check the preview of the wallpaper, we have to tap on it, and this is the wallpaper we've chosen. Right here we will have more options which are quite similar to the wallpaper we've chosen before. So it's of course up to you, but I think I will pick this one. So let me tap on it. We can tap on it again to see how it will look like on the full screen. And so if you like your choice, just tap on apply, and right now we can decide where you want to set it. So as you can see, the lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it. I don't want to use the carousel, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied. We can go back and check, of course. We've got also the information that we can use the Google palette, which simply means that your device will take the colors from the wallpaper and apply it to the system colors. Up to you, of course, if you want to use it or not. And as you can see, this is my home screen, so the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.